Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're back with another tutorial, and this one is going to be a little bit of a halo cut crease look with some glitter because hello, we're like in spring. We're feeling locked up or locked in. So I wanted to go ahead and get a little creative with my look. And so this is a super fun and easy look, and also with a lot of affordable products, some high-end ones though, so don't judge me. But also this is what we have on our eyes at the moment, and we did go ahead and add some glitters to that, so it's not the only thing we have on our eyes. But if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So first things first, let's go ahead and prime the face. I am taking the Angel Veil. This is my True Match foundation. This is in 4.5 Fresh Beige. For concealer, I'm just going to take the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in medium. Normally this is too dark for me, but given that we are in our summer shade, it actually works out. And just taking a flat Sigma brush. This one is a new one. It's called Soft Blend Concealer, and I used to never use this brush because I just felt like it wasn't fulfilling my needs. I was totally into a different brush, and now I'm really into it. Good. So for our under eye, we're using the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. I really love this powder. It's absolute perfection. And now let's set the rest of our face. The Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish, and this one is in medium. So I think it is a little bit more on the translucent side and doesn't add a lot of color. And also this is a Japanese brush. If you haven't tried them, please do. They are also phenomenal. Now let's do our brows, and for my brows I'm gonna go ahead and take the Colourpop Brow Boss. And this one's a pretty affordable brow pencil, and I've really been enjoying it. And then we're just going to clean them up with our concealer. My Essence Brow and Mascara Clear Gel, and I'm gonna add it to the brows. I've never used this on my lashes. I've only used it on my brows. Shadow primer, we're going with an oldie but a goodie. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden. Okay, and we're just gonna set it with our powder, the veil powder that we used earlier for under our eyes. Just boom boom. Let's get into some new makeup. Well, first let me go ahead and add my little lip balm lip mask. This is Wet n Wild. This is the sleeping mask, and I have used it, I've used it for sleeping. It's very thick. It doesn't get all over the place. And what I find is that it leaves my lips soft the next day, but it's almost like the layers of my lips are more peelable. Like, you know how you may have some like tough pieces of skin just kind of popping out? Well, what this one does, it like loosens that up so that you can easily literally just scrub your lips or just go like that without even adding anything to it. And it just comes off. And we're going to take this Essence, I believe it's called Fire. It's a eyeshadow palette. It was super affordable. It just says that. I saw this at Ulta the last time I went, which was before things got so crazy. So that's what I'm going to use. I've never used this before. I've never used an Essence palette before either, I don't think. So let's just jump right into it. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this color here. I don't believe these have any names. And let's see. Okay. I mean, they're pretty pigmented. For sure they're pigmented. Like, look at this fucking buildability and blendability here. Like, this is really nice. And then I'm going to take this cranberry tone right in the middle. And I'm going to build that right up in here.
That's so nice. And I'm going to add a little bit of that cranberry right up in here.
And they are blending so nicely with one another. Like, wow, this is really... Well, I think I'm going to do a halo eye, so I'm going to go ahead and also get it on this inner. We're just going to take some of our concealer, and we're going to take another little brush, and we're just going to kind of, not full cut crease, but kind of cut crease our lid. And then we're going to take this yellow shade. I'm going to take it with my finger and I'm going to pack it in. I'm going to take that same color right there and I'm going to blend this. Gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit more sparkle, and I'm actually gonna take I don't know which one to do. I feel like this one might be too close. These are both the Kathleen Lights X Colourpop little glitters. I'm taking the NYX glitter glue. Take a very small amount and kind of just pack it in the center there like that. And then I'm going to take a little flat brush. Whoa. This is gorgeous. Wow. And because I'm crazy, I'm also going to take the gold one. Because, like, why the hell not? You know what I mean? And boom. Some liner. This is our NYX matte liner, and we're gonna put it to work. Dang, I never seen a line that was sharper than that one right there. It looks good, guys. It looks good. Close enough? I guess. So this one is the Twins, and the gold is, I want to say the Lion? The Lion. Now let's just get some color for our under eye. Taking a small little brush, I'm going to go ahead and get this color here. And these don't have names, by the way. For bronzer, we're just taking the Hoola Benefit bronzer. And And for blush, we're taking the Lorac Pro blush in the Lorac blush in a cinematic. I love this blush. I don't think I've worn it in a while, but I love this blush. And I am on TikTok now, guys. I am on TikTok. My name is, of course, Time with Brenda. No underscores or anything, just one word. Time with Brenda, if y'all are interested in that little tidbit there. And then I'm gonna go in with the Catrice. Once again, this is LumiNice. That's cute. LumiNice. That's cute. Highlight and Blush Glow palette. Has these 3 shades in there and a little mirror. And like I said, I also picked this up at Ulta the last time I was there. So I'm gonna go ahead with the middle one because that looks like a really nice tone. It looks like it. Boom. Got lots of dust. That's okay. I think if we wet this, it's very frosty and dusty, as you guys can see all the fallout from just dipping my brush. I'm just gonna add the brush of fresh air to wet it. Let's see. Why, hello, Frosty Goddess. Hi, hi, hi. This is so frosty. And so, as you guys know, I don't do frosty highlighters anymore. So I'm just going to take a sponge, add some setting spray to it, and press it in. I think I've been calling this a Catrice mascara, and it's an Essence mascara. I don't know if you guys noticed that or not, or if I'm being crazy. Let's curl the lashes, and taking my Essence Volume Stylist. I think for liner we're gonna take this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Black Viva. That's so creamy. I feel like you can't even tell I'm wearing blush, which is a shocker because... So I'm just going to go in with my blush a little bit more. Like I said, this is a brown blush. So maybe I'm too tan now for my brown blush. Maybe I need to mix it with a pinker blush. Maybe. This pink one. Because I feel like I need more pink in my life. I kind of think like a red lip would look good with this. And we're going to top it with I Love Sarai X Color... I Love Sarai X Colourpop in Arriba. And then I'm going to add some falsies because this is a very dramatic look for no falsies. So let's go ahead and add some falsies. And I'm going to take the Ardell Studio Effects. These are some of my absolute favorite lashes. These are so bomb! Oh my goodness. Look at, who is she? Like, lashes? Girl, where? Like, oh my goodness. I don't care what y'all say, this looks fire. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys found some good finds in here. I mean, I think this legit is so good. Like, everything is blended so beautifully. I mean, yeah, I only tried like the mattes in here, And other than that yellow one, which was a little bit funky, they all blended out so well that I was kind of like, whoa. What? So I highly recommend this palette. But yeah, that's it. That's all we have for this video. Make sure you follow me on my social media, Time with Brenda. I always post close-up pictures of my makeup there. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The link will always be at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Leave any comments or requests down below. Bye!